Hi everyone, I'm at Burnaby Central Railway in Burnaby, BC. This is my membership to British Columbia Society of Metal Engineers, and we operate these miniature trains for kids and families. Today's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to you all fathers out there. I just want to do another video. I did 1920 yesterday when I was here yesterday running, but this is Beaverton 30-1. Sorry for the lighting, it's kind of shady here. And yeah, this is my train set, or cars if you will. There's 5 riding cars to each train, and some have 6 depending if they can pull it like 1920 can. And then over here, let's walk over here for you. We put a cone on the seat of each car at the back because they're riding with 5 cars or 4 cars or more. We need the conductors, so the cone goes to save the seat for conductor at the back trains. And over here, I'm doing a video. Over here is our Garden Railway. I don't know much about the Garden Railway. I usually just run 7F inch gauge, which is this, or 9,000, which is over there. But a very extensive Garden Railway is going to be open on July 7th for public. People can come and look at the trains or play with the trains or whatever. So yeah, they're just doing some work here. Some people here, and yeah, I just want to do a little walk around before we open. We open like 20 minutes for public. So, yeah, this is our track. And I do believe in the distance I can hear a steam engine coming around. Maybe we can get him. There he is, steam engine's coming around. This is the 5279's Hudson train that we run in the summertime for kids. She's live steam, she runs on propane. And that's Christopher V. Long driving right there. Anyways, I better get after the video. We're opening soon for public, but it was nice seeing you on YouTube today. Today's Father's Day, June 17, 2018. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Ross Johnson signing out on YouTube.